Hi, this is Yoshi. Okay, week 7. We have 3 more weeks to go. Week 7, you will learn Goldfish, Fish, Turtle, Ninja Shuriken, and review of Nakaware Ori versus Kasane Ori before going to cranes or birds. Okay, lecture 33 is a goldfish. Goldfish like this. What you need is a square-shaped paper and scissors. First, fold diagonal to make a big triangle, and fold diagonal once again to make a quarter, make it a quarter. Unfold, then fold a corner of big triangle to vertical corner, and the other side as well, the corner of big triangle to the vertical corner of triangle. Now it looks like this. Then fold a small half-sized triangle here. Do the same for the other side as well. Here it looks similar to a cicada. Then to fold a small triangle at the part which was just folded, small and sharp triangle here. And as usual, do the same for the other side. This is where we are right now. And fold upper side of a small triangle. The white side is shown now. Then fold the space between the center line and end of white triangle. And reverse, turn over the paper to show only colored side. Then fold the thin piece of paper to cover the corner. Then fold at the center. Now it will look like this. And you need scissors. We will cut two areas. One is no white zone, acute angle, then wider white side, just edge of the white band. So now open the middle. You can insert your finger like this and fold at the center from the opposite direction. Just like rotate. This is what you have. Now fold small triangle at the corner of thin part. This is actually marking the line. From here, reverse the thin side of paper at the end of small triangle just marked. Reverse is like this. This move is
Hi, this is Yoshi.
is shown
Lecture
better
33.
on the slide, not the
Video
slideshow,
for
the video.
Goldfish.
So please watch the supplement video on lecture 33.
Fold triangle
So it's going to be
twice.
like this at the end.
Big triangle.
This is the goldfish. Whenever you do the creature,
And then
animal,
corner
fish,
point of big triangle. to
draw
the
eyes
vertical
will make it
corner of the big
more
triangle.
vivid. Okay, next is 34, lecture 34, which is going to be fish.
The other side.
Please watch
well.
supplement video. Okay, see you.
This looks like cicada.
Now the difference is here, fold here is exactly half, and same thing for the other side. The next is fold small triangle like this. So this thin side folds a small triangle. Don't go over to the center point, and fold the rest again like this to overlap. And the back side is fold a triangle corner to corner, and open that inside and rotate it, and fold at the middle. Once again, do the same. Now you need scissors to cut the white band area. No white, just acute triangle. Open it and insert your thumb or finger in there and rotate. And this is the interesting part. Watch carefully. Fold small triangle to mark the line. I think this kind of move is the first time to do it in this course. And reverse like this. So this what is the tail fin. It's done. Draw eyes in goldfish.